Did you know you could dry age your own steak in your own refrigerator in a span of just a few hours? We have a great process here, my favorite way to make steaks, foolproof, delicious. Here we go. So starting off, we have 4 fillets. We're not going to make them all. I'm looking for any really fatty chunks to remove because we don't want that in the final product. So I'm going to take them out, cut the steaks in approximately 1 inch long pieces. We want to have them nice and thick so we can skewer them. We'll put the two we're not going to use in a freezer safe Ziploc, but essentially it's had that dry age, so it's good to go next time we want to make steak. You'll see in the side by side on the left, those have been sitting out for about 6 hours. See how red they are? That just means there's been moisture that's been pulled out from the beef, and it's essentially going to have a beefier taste. Moving right on to seasoning. We have some salt, some fresh ground black pepper. We're just going to put all the beef cubes in, mix them around. Simple as that. We are then going to take 2 skewers. These are kind of cheap from Amazon, so I double them up. You want about an inch apart so we have enough flame that can hit in between the pieces. And then last little bit, we're going to season with some Lowry seasoned salt. Beautiful fall day. See the sun poking through the trees. Leaves are changing color. Beautiful. Probably our last grill of the season. Maybe we'll squeeze in one more. Super hot. Let's grab our steak. Let's get going. Now, the grill is ripping hot right now. You really need to make sure you're using a glove. Those metal skewers are going to be incredibly hot. And my tip here is I flip once every minute or so. Full cooking time is about 4 minutes, give or take. And a really easy part for the skewers is you can see the underside of the meat is red. Essentially, we're going to flip until it's not red, which means it's cooked. And that carryover heat, also letting it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before we taste it, is going to finish cooking it. It's going to be perfectly right between medium and medium rare, which in my opinion is the best way to eat a steak. But again, there's no guesswork here, which is what I love about the skewers. They taste amazing and super easy. All right, so last little bit, we're just going to check to make sure the bottom sides of those pieces are completely cooked. They're not pink anymore. Should also mention we're using fillet pieces here. That's our preferred cut. We don't really like any fat to chew on. You know, you do you. We're going to do us. This is a fillet dish. If you cook a fattier piece of meat, it's probably going to be slightly different. So just keep that in mind. But again, super easy, minimal ingredients. It only took a few minutes of cooking. And here we are. You can see the hot sauce pieces are above. Want to eat these? They look so amazing. Ooh, see, I just pulled apart. Oh my God. Wow. I don't really know how to respond. Piece of the regular. Oh my God. Even that's amazing. My friends, that's the end. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you try it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on notifications, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care.